Hey, what if I told you that you can actually get your channel to blow up just by using the YouTube search bar? Yes, you can actually get content ideas from your YouTube search bar that can help your channel to blow up, that can help you to get views, that can help you to get visibility and even subscribers. I'm sure you're wondering, what am I talking about? In this video, I'll be telling you about how you can use the YouTube search bar to get content ideas for your channel, and also how you can copy other creators correctly and be able to use their titles, their thumbnails to go viral or to get views on your channel. It is no longer news that trending topics, right? Jumping on trending topics actually help your channel to grow. It helps you to get views, it helps you to get subscribers. That is the truth. I have tried it and I have seen, I have tested it. I can tell you for free that jumping on trending topics actually gives you views. And this is the reason why I decided to make this video. So I can share with you how you can use YouTube search bar to get content ideas that are going viral, and also how to copy creators in your niche that are already doing well and going viral. Now let's get right into this video. I'll be showing you a screen record because I want us to practicalize it together. I want us to do this together. While I'm doing mine, you can also be doing your own. Let's just get right into it, people. So I'm going to be heading over to my my YouTube channel, and I'm going to begin with this. Now I make fashion accessories, right? And I have a channel where I talk about how to train, how to make bags and shoes and all of those things, Afrocentric accessories. That is what I do on my other channel, Visa Freak. So I want to use that one as a case study, right? Because I know that it's not everybody that is doing how to like me, like I'm doing on this channel. So I want to use something that is a little bit more relatable to make you understand that it's not just the finance niche or the motivational niche or the faceless channels niches that can get you viral or that can help you to get visibility. No matter the niche you are in, so long as you can copy other creators that are doing well. When I say copy, I don't mean going to list their videos and post on your own channel. No, no, no. That is not what I'm saying. I'm rather saying you can copy their titles, copy their thumbnails, and ensure that your content is authentic enough. It is original. Go ahead to watch their videos, hear what they said in their videos, see how they did their own video, and then go ahead and do your own video. You don't actually need to copy everything that's in that video. You can even look for loopholes. How do I mean loopholes? For a particular topic, a creator might say something, and then you know something extra that the creator missed out in that video. You can decide to make your own video where you are expanding on that particular thing that the creator missed out on. That can make your own, content even more authentic, right, and of good quality. To make your content to be more original. That is how to copy. Don't go and just leave somebody's content and go and paste on your own channel. You get a copyright strike if you do that. Now let's get right into this, and I'm going to be explaining using this screen record showing on the screen. Now, for my fashion accessory business, I let me assume I want to see how other creators post their bags tutorials. I make bag tutorials. So I'm going to type how to how to make one of my keywords for that niche is Ankara, right? Ankara. I won't put any other thing outside this. Now, as you can see, YouTube is suggesting to me different topics. This simply means that people who come to search for this particular thing, most of them search for Ankara bags and purses, Ankara earrings, how to make Ankara hairband, how to make Ankara shoes and accessories, how to make Ankara hand fan, how to make Ankara shorts, how to make Ankara dresses, and then Ankara tops. These are actually content ideas. I can decide to take a screenshot of this and then create quality videos with these topics because people are searching for this topic. Do you get the point? People are actually searching for this topic. As you can see, I learned how to make Ankara, and then they are giving me different suggestions of what people are searching for. Now, the second thing you're going to do now is to now learn how to copy a creator that has already done a video like this in your niche. Let's get into that part. Now, I'll click on Ankara bags, for instance, how to make Ankara bags. I'll click on that, and then I'm going to allow this to open up The next I'll be paying attention to is going to be the creators that YouTube gets to suggest to me. So the first one I have here is indie debugs and patterns. Yeah, and PDF patterns. The next one I have here is the Ethereum Foundation. The next one I have here is My Things My Way. I also have down here, if you scroll down, you see some more. AmiG DIY, right? AmiG DIY. He has 1.1 million views from 2 years ago. Now, if you click down again, you see Biteria. All these are channels that actually have viral videos when it comes to Ankara bags. So what I want to do now, or what I'm going to be doing next, is to click on any of them. Okay, let me use this first one for instance. In the bags and PDF patterns. I'll click on in the bags and then I'm going to go to her channel, not the video, right? I'll go to her channel. I'll click and go to her channel. When I am here at her channel, on her channel, right? The next thing I want to do is to click on videos. I'll click on videos and then let me give you a subscribe. Okay, so I'll click on the video and then I'm going to scroll down to popular. I'll click on the part that says popular. I want to see the videos that she has done in the past that gave her highest views, right? Whether it's 2 years ago, 1 year ago, even though it's advisable that I pick the one that is recent, right? A video that is recent. But these are topics that have given her good views from before. So I'll just scroll down and then I'll look for a particular one that I can create video on. So she has the trending maxi tote bag. This is her title. I'll go on to click on that particular one or any other one. I'll click on it. I'll look at her title. This is me studying this particular video. I'll look at her title. I will look at her description, right? I'll look at her description, her title, her description. I'm looking out for her hashtags and keywords that she included here, right? So I'm looking out for all of that. The next thing I'm going to pay attention to is how she did her thumbnail. This is what a thumbnail looks like. Hers is very simple. That's what I like about in the bags. Her thumbnails are really very simple and straight to the point. So this is how she did her thumbnail. So what I can do is to take note of the particular topics that she has talked about or this particular topic she has created videos on, copy them down, and then decide to create a video using this same topic. The patterns must not be the same, the bag I'm making must not be the same, but I can actually use this same topic and this same pattern. Now let me pick another one. Okay, we have here the Ethereum Foundation. Now when I click on Ethereum Foundation, I'm also going to open her channel, right? I'll allow this to open up, open up, open up. Okay, so I'm here on her channel. Let me subscribe to her channel. Okay, so I'm here on her channel, like I did for the other channel. I'm going to click on her videos again, and then I'm going to scroll down to her popular videos. I'll scroll down to popular videos, and then I'm going to look at them. I'm trying to see how she does her thumbnail, paying attention to all of that, and then also seeing her topics. Now I can also go ahead to copy, right? Look at a particular video, copy it. For instance, this one that has 70K views. I can try to take this topic, types of stiffeners and interfacing in bag making. I can take this topic, go ahead to look at her what's it called, her description, see how she did her description, look at for the hashtags she used, for the keywords she used, basically how she did her description. Now, when I have gotten this, the next thing I want to go now is to go ahead and copy this, right? Go ahead and write this down and decide to do a video around this. This is for this particular niche. If I want to review another channel again, I'll still go on and look for another one. Let's see the one that has 1.1 million views. Okay, this one has 1.1 million views from 2 years ago. The video is from 2 years ago. How to sew a handmade simple and so fast. A handbag, simple and so fast. Easy DIY at Amijo. Okay, this is how our own description also goes. Now I'm also going to pay attention to it, watch it, and see what she did, how she did what she did, and go ahead and create my own video. Do you get the point? Now this is for this particular niche. Let me not say I want to do for this niche where I am currently talking to you. How to write, how to create YouTube videos, how to create this, how to create that. Let's say I want to do that. I'll click on a particular what's it called? I'll look at a particular creator that I know that is doing well already in this niche. I'm going to use maybe, let's say, Vibe with Sonia, right? She's one of the creators that I actually watch her videos and I follow her a lot. Vibe with Sonia. So I click on Vibe with Sonia and I'll allow this to load. When it opens up, just the same thing I have been doing for other channels. I'm going to click on the view channel and I'm going to go to the videos. I'll go down to her videos and I'll click on popular. I'll click on popular and then I'm going to scroll down to see the videos that she has here that are doing well for her, that are giving her views. Like I said, it's even advisable that I pay attention to the ones that are very recent, like this year. Pay attention to those ones. I can go further to watch the videos, see what she talked about in the videos, look for how to improve on my own before I go ahead and create my own video. This one is 6 months ago. She has 8 months ago, 4 months ago, 5 months ago. All these videos have given her good watch time, or rather good views. As you can see here, she has good views on these videos, including the ones from 2 years ago. They have given her good views, so I can just go ahead and decide to copy this title, copy her thumbnail and recreate my own. And when I'm saying copy, I'm not saying you should go and snap her thumbnail and put on your channel. Just get the thumbnail idea, see how she did her own, and then go ahead to copy that, copy the title, get a review into our description, and use that as a guide to create your own. If you're wondering why I'm actually sharing this, that is because I have also tried it. I have jumped on trending topics and then I saw that it actually helps my channel to get better views and visibility. My highest view currently on this channel, right, is about 500 plus. And when I jumped on a particular trending topic at the time, right, when I jumped on a particular trending topic at that time, that was what gave my channel that boost, or gave that particular video that boost, because it was a trending topic. A lot of creators were making videos around it at that time, and then I noticed that I got my highest views from that video in a very short period of time. Do you get the point? All right. This is one strategy you can apply in order to get more views and subscribers on your channel. You are not going to be doing anything wrong if you copy a particular creator's pattern. You can also, research for other creators that are already doing well. You can research for the ones that do well in your niche, and just copy their pattern. It might still take you some time. It might not work like immediately, but give it some time. You will see that you begin to get traction. Because truth is, when a particular what's it called? When a particular viewer watches a particular video, right, and they watch to the end of that video, and maybe somehow they were not really satisfied with what they have seen. When they scroll up, chances are YouTube will still suggest another video to them. Just what if your video happens to be the next video that they suggest to them? Do you get my point? Let's assume that your SEO is in place, the keywords you put in is in place, the hashtag, everything is in place, and then they watch a particular content creator that is doing well, and they are not yet satisfied. They want something more. They want to see, they want to hear on that creator talk. And then you should go ahead to suggest your video to them. This can only be possible if you create topics that are trending, if you create topics that are doing well, if you create topics that other creators that have good followers already are creating. Learn to copy and improve on your own creation. This is it, right? This is a strategy that I want to share with you, and I'm really hoping that you got the point and you're able to practice and apply everything that we have talked about in this video. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate that you have watched this video. I have some other videos. You can just watch, click on this playlist showing up here. Click on the playlist to see other video content that you can watch. I'm here to always give you content and value. I am here to help you to grow your channel as I am also growing mine. See you in my next video. Bye for now.